If you like journaling and scrapbooking, or especially if you're new to the hobby, this is a great book to start with. It has 20 pages, so 20 individual pages, and so front and back you would actually have 40 pages to decorate and write on. It has a really nice spiral binding, and the cover is a really nice linen, and it's put together very, very well. There are other colors to choose from if you don't like this natural color, but let me show you some of the things that you can do. Here is a little butterfly tag that I made. Actually, it's a pocket, and there's a little tag in here. You could use stickers. You could use this as a baby shower journal, a baby journal, travel. I can think of so many things. Maybe your high school years, you know, you could journal on here. You can add decorations. You can add stickers. You can do some stamping. I have rhinestones here that you could put rhinestones on. I have an extra printed paper here. So I can use all of my scraps to attach and just make a really cool page. And then I could do some journaling on it. This would be great for travel, I think. I think this would be perfect because you could put ticket stubs and brochures and pieces of brochures and do some writing, whatever you want. You can use a regular adhesive like this to attach things. You could use a glue pen. The kit comes with photo corners. So, and there's silver, white, and gold. So if you wanted to use photo corners, let's put one of these down. See, you just pop that on there like that. That's how a photo corner works. You would do all 4 corners and then stick it where you want it. Whoops, I have that upside down. And then stick it down where you want it. So there are lots of options, the different ways to use this book. But this is a very nice quality book at a really good price point if you're just getting started. Or if you just need a small book for a small occasion, you know. So anyway, this is 20 pages, 40 pages when you do front and back.